Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Best IT Solution, and today we will see how to do a registration process in Spring Boot. Okay, so we'll see in step by step how a registration form will submit and it will store in database. So we'll use here MySQL database and a Spring Boot for our project. Okay, so I am going to create the project. So just open a browser and go to the start.spring.io for creating the project. So the project name is, the group is com.tarun and project name is user registration, and the Spring Boot version is 2.7.13 I am going to use, and project build tool is Maven. Java version is 11. Okay, projects demo project for Spring Boot, and it is the demo project for registration. Okay, and here we need to add the dependencies. So I will add dependency first, wave, and another one is Lombok for our getter and setter. And the MySQL connector and JPA, and what we need okay, so this much we need for the time being. Now if we need any dependency, then we can add later. Okay, so I have added Spring Web, Lombok, MySQL driver, Spring Data, JPA, and just click on generate the project. Okay, so it is created a zip file and downloaded. So go to your download folder and just extract the zip file. Okay, so we got the project here, and just go to ID, any ID you can use. I am using here STS. So here I am going to import the project. Okay, import a Maven, existing Maven project. Next, I am selecting the path where our project is user registration. Okay, and selected the exact path of the project where the project is downloaded. Now the project is importing Maven projects. So just wait for some time. Okay, we got our project here, user registration. Okay, so just go to pom.xml file. Okay, Spring version Spring Boot, you can see here Spring Boot version is 2.7.13 and the Java version is 11, and the data JPA, wave, connector. Okay, all these dependencies added. Also added Lombok. Okay, so I am creating some package here. So package is registration.controller, and then service, dot repository, and another is what we need, the entity. Okay, so this is the project hierarchy. Okay, so controller layer, service layer, repository layer and entity. So in controller layer I am going to create a class, suppose home controller. Home controller, and annotated with this as this is our since I am going to create a REST project, so this is REST, annotated with as REST controller. Okay, REST controller. Just testing purpose I am creating an handler here, public string, suppose home, return welcome to Spring Boot registration process. Okay, just save and run the program. Run as Spring Boot app. Okay, so here one error is coming. Okay, so data source is not specified. So actually we have added the dependency of JPA and it searching for the data source properties, and still now we have not added any data source properties here. So for the time being now just uncomment it and just save and run the program again. Okay, now the Tomcat is started on port 8080. So go to postman and localhost :8080. Okay, so got an error 404 and path. So actually I have not mentioned the path, so it is me unable to locate that handler. Okay, so we need to mention the mapping, get mapping, and the URL is /. Okay, just save and rerun the program again. So this is compulsory. Every handler should have an URL mapping. Okay. Okay, now just send. Fine. Now we got the output. Welcome to Spring Boot project and registration process. That means our project has built successful and it is running fine. So now we'll create an entity for our registration. What are the components we need? Okay. So just go to the entity folder, entity package, and create a class. Suppose I have created a class user. Okay, finish. So now since it is an entity, we need to annotate it as entity. Okay, so it is not suggesting the importing option. So we have commented this one, the string data JPA. So now we need to uncomment it. Okay, so just save. Okay, and now it's suggesting for import entity from Java x.persistence. Okay, fine. So what are the properties we will take here, like private, int, user ID, private, string, username, and private string name, private string password. What other things we can take? Private string email, private string mobile, private. We can also take an date of birth as date pair string also we can take. So date, DOB, and private string gender, gender, and another thing we can take as a list. We can take private list of string, suppose technology. Okay, so particular user have more than on technology also, so it is list. Okay, so you need to import this date from Java util, also list from Java util. So during the import you should also focus particular package you need to import, otherwise it should also give error. Okay, so this is a particular entity, make this is as primary key, so @ID, and it will be generated value, generation, sorry, it is generator, not generated value, generation type, strategy equal to generation type dot auto. Okay, so that means our user ID field will automatically created and increment on one by one, and name, username, password, email, mobile, DOB, gender. And another thing is also we need to mention here as the list element collection. Element collection, and target class equal to string dot class. Since we are creating a list here, so we need to mention the element collection. Otherwise, multiple values we cannot give. Okay. Just import the element collection. Import element Java is not persistent. Okay, fine. Okay, so now our entity is ready, and for the getter and setter we can use the Lombok and @data @nowhere constructor, import data from Lombok all our constructor. Okay, so our complete entity is created now. Now we need to add the data source property. Okay, so just go to the application properties, and mention here the data source properties. So I have copied all the data source properties here. Okay. Paste. Okay, so the string data set URL equal to JDBC MySQL localhost user. So this is the database name. So database, you need to create the database in the MySQL. So database name is another database. User database. Okay, so we need to create this database in MySQL, and this is the driver class name com.mysql cj.jdbc driver. This is the username, password. I want a dialect. MySQL create true. Okay, and just go to the MySQL workbench, and we need to create the database first. So create database user database. Run. Okay, so database is okay. You can see here your user database has created now. Then use user database. Okay, fine. Now just run the program, so it will automatically create our user table. Okay, okay, so you can see also the query create table user ID in all date time email gender. Okay, so all this user has created. Just check in database user has created or not table. So table. Okay. You can see one user table has created and another user technology has table has created due to this list of data. Select tar from user underscore technology. Okay, so here mapping is done here, user ID and technology. Then we need to write the code for saving the data. Okay, so go to the controller and create a handler for save data. So public string save user. Okay, return user saved successfully. Okay, and mapping is this one is the post mapping. So post. Okay, imported post mapping and the URL is save user, and we need to pass here the request body also. Request body user. So this user should be import from the our user registration.entity. Okay, so to save the entity we need the object of repository. So create a class, create an interface in the repository, that is user repository and extend with JP repository. Okay, fine. And mention here the class is our user, primary key is integer, and import this user from our user registration entity, annotated with our repository. Okay, and we need to create an service class also inside the service package. So we can create an interface, then we can implement that interface to an class, or directly we can create a class also. User service. So annotate it with service annotation, and then so write the method. So we need to auto add the repository of user repository. Need to inject this object. So yeah, user repository. Sorry, this is the user repository. This is the object import. Okay. So from controller, saving the data, we need the object of user service. So go to controller and private user service. Just auto add it. Import also the user service. Okay. User service dot save user. We need to pass that user to the user service and just create this method here. Public void user service. Okay. User repository dot save user. Okay, so it return a user. So make this type as user. User 1 and return user 1. In controller, when you call the user service, it gives us the user object, show that user 1 and we can also return that user 1. So we need to make it as user, since we are returning an user. Okay. Okay, so first request comes to that handler save user, and it also we pass the request body, which comes to that user object, and user object go to this save user method, and in save user method of service class, it will accept the user as argument, and with the help of the repository object, it will save the user to the database and return this user again. Okay, so just save and run the program and check whether. Before that, one thing, in application.properties we should mention it as update, otherwise every time it will create a new table. Okay. Okay, now just send the data from the postman to see the output. Okay. So create a new request, and it is post request. URL is localhost @0 colon save user, and body and type is raw, data format is JSON. So we need to pass the data from here. Okay, so JSON data will pass. So user ID is auto incremented, so we need not to pass this user ID. So first pass the name. Suppose name is Tarun, then username, Tarun123, then password, seven eight nine zero 790. So this attribute field should match with the entity class field. Okay, so name, username, password, email, mobile, DOB. So email, okay, gmail.com, and email, then mobile, okay, then what are the remaining things? Just check email, mobile, DOB, gender. So DOB is also DOB is, so we have passed here a DOB database date. So we need to send the data in a particular format. So suppose 20 20 hyphen 20, this is the day and the month, 05 hyphen suppose year 1995, then gender, then what else remaining, mobile, DOB, gender, then list of technology. Okay, so we need to pass the technology list as this is the technology, and so we can pass one by one technology like Java and Python, and JavaScript. Okay, this much. Okay, so we have set all the variables, value, name, username, password, email, mobile, DOB, gender, technology. Okay, just to verify, user ID is auto incremented, name, username, password, email, mobile, name, username, password, email, mobile, DOB, gender, technology, and technology list of data. Okay, so just the URL is /save user. Just to verify the URL also. Yes, it's save user. So send. So we got an error like path is save user bad request. So just checking code save user. Yes, it is save user. Post mapping also. And just check in database. If there in data, select star from user. No. Till now, no data is coming to the database. So post mapping, save user, request body user. It comes to that user object and save user. Go to the user service, user one, user one. Okay. Just rerun our application. Okay, some started. Okay, username, password. So date format is maybe some issue in date format. $195, then a month, then day, gender male, technology yes, so now data we got the output as user ID 1 and turn. Okay, so we successfully saved the data. So just go to the MySQL and check. Yes, user ID 1 and DOB, email, gender, mobile number, name, password, username, and the user technology table. You can see the list of technology for user ID 1 Java, Python, JavaScript. Okay, so if we send another data, Rajesh, Rajesh 1, 2, 3. So we are not validating the mobile number and all these things. Randomly we are giving the output. Okay, mail and languages. Suppose this is Node. Okay, and this one JavaScript. Sorry, this one. Language Java, C++. Okay, so then send. Okay, we got the output. So just check in MySQL. Yes. So data is coming the technology table 2 for user ID 222, and in user table also you can see the data successfully saved. Okay. So in this way you can save the data. So another thing is here uh, we have taken the date as date. You can also take the date as string also. So just I am saying user entity. Here you can say we can create this date as string also. Okay. So then how data will save? Just we need to create the table again. Okay, so just relaunch the program. Okay, so now again send this data. Angular Flutter. Okay, I just send. Okay, so now you can send the date in any format. Okay, data just check data is coming or not. The prevalent date and the DOB data will save in this way, and now just refresh it. You can see the data is stored in the format in which you pass the date. So we can pass any format like 28, 06, 998. So it will also accept. So now any format we can pass the date. If we take the date as string, but if we take the date as a date API date and data type, then we need to follow some particular format. Okay, fine. Then just go to the MySQL and refresh. Yes, you can see now that is stored in a format which we have sent. And use the technology table. All the technologies are stored in the technology table. Use the technology table. So this is all about the registration process by using Spring Boot, MySQL, and Postman. And again, next we will make the video all these things by using TimeLeap or JSP. Any viewing technology will integrate with this application. Okay, so thank you guys. If you got some knowledge from this video, so please like, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.